think it's time that I address this coronavirus thing. So, what do you think about this coronavirus thing now, Father God? Me just land back in a Jersey Zine, which day and a peer quarantine and corona me I hear about. Me can't go here so. Me can't here so in the house. Me tired of the house, brother. Me tell you, me tired. Why? So like, what going? Me know some I will survive in another house, you know. Me know some I gotta work on thing, but me don't eat all of my food them right because me craving. So, Trump, we're going to do for address this now, Father. So, I will be explaining what I did on my trip. I say Vegas scarce. Everybody afraid because the corona come. Corona kick off Halloween, you know? Don't know? You know what I'm going to do? Oh, look that way there. Because corona not catch me. Not turn there. They say me in that house. Me in that house, you know? Never. I mean, I was there work. But this unreal. I tell you.
I got the wrong number this. Now I feel your phone, man, but I can't shut it first. Oh, what about my G? Thing good, vibrate.
You know,
when you're going to split from that with the IG. She'll be there, she'll like ice cube in an iced tea. But I would
and then while we're quarantined, that's still gotta go to work.
The girl them sugar cane, man, the girl them dirty body. Me don't know.
Healthcare field. Oh, yes, that's what I work. I hate it here. You can't tell me that also too long. On the ear, my sister, over there? On the ear, right? Ear. Can't bother. They can't make up any things here. I promise. Ear. Come to the car. Maple Trustity. While on the other hand, college lectures, everything is online. Pre this. Pre. Ready for this? I'm ready for this. Alright, watch it. This is all this, especially like the one there. Alright, let me done with this online thing. What? Did I almost drop? Online. Oh, what do we do? Man, I gotta summarize this whole book. You know, me give up. Shut up, man. I hate it here. Like I said, did I explain? I don't even know. Oh, so I did go to Vegas and Arizona. Vegas was not crowded as I thought it would be. Everybody afraid of the corona. Arizona was lit. Nice weather. I got to pop out. I'll be showing some pictures. You're good with it? Don't forget to like, comment, share. tell me what I want me do a video on, you know. Bro, peep my cat. Like, you know she bad. Like, I'm hiding from her and she jumped up. She jumped up. What do you want? Do you see how high the door is? She jumped all the way up to see me. But why? Quarantine? Man, if you come out of the house, this can't be real. May I tell you? I mean, if you go back to Arizona or something. Because this is not it. No break, no nothing. Nothing at all. Like, where they do that at? Tell your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your mother, your sister, your auntie, everybody, please subscribe and like. And yeah, me talk. Go keep your hands on my way about that. Bye.
Yo, what you did now? Come like a stress, like I don't want stress me out of my emotion. When I know them things, you know. Your love. Cause your love and got me thinking, yeah. Cause your love and got me drowning. Mine over matter. You say you want me treat you good, but you not treat me proper. I'm not like the others. So make you mash up my life, then me turn and forgive you. Just the shoes got me thinking, if I should stay, I should I leave you? Cause your love and got me thinking, yeah. Cause your love and got me drowning. Cars, money, shopping all over the world, and they said to me, girl, anything you want, I give to you. Anything you need, all you need is called emotion. Let me kiss you, let me feel you, let me squeeze you. Man on a dead beat, and I get expect a man fi beat you.
But everybody now go real. Me make it to a lot of enemies. Me get promoted.